If you're looking to learn how to use AdCreative AI for retargeting campaigns, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage AdCreative AI to supercharge your ad creatives and maximize your ROI with retargeting strategies. Retargeting campaigns are a goldmine for advertisers, and using the right tools can make all the difference. AdCreative AI helps you craft high-converting ad creatives in minutes by utilizing AI to create designs that are optimized for performance. What sets it apart is how it uses data to understand what types of creatives work best for your audience and then automates the process of creating these ads for you. When it comes to retargeting, you want to make sure you're showing the right ad to the right people at the right time. AdCreative AI makes this possible by generating multiple ad creatives that are designed to speak to users who've already interacted with your brand. The AI analyzes these interactions to create ads that specifically address potential customer pain points, interests, or actions they took on your site. To start, simply upload your assets, and AdCreative AI will generate variations of your creatives. You can tailor the message of your retargeting ads based on the behaviors and characteristics of your previous visitors. For example, if a user has visited your product page but didn't make a purchase, you can create an ad that speaks directly to them by offering a special discount or highlighting the product's benefits. Another major benefit of AdCreative AI is that it continuously optimizes your creatives. As the AI collects more data from your campaigns, it adjusts the design, messaging, and call to action buttons to improve conversion rates. This constant evolution makes sure that your retargeting campaigns are always running at their best. Let's talk about some actionable steps. First, create a retargeting audience in your ad platform. You can target users who have visited your site, added items to their cart, or even those who've interacted with your social media profiles. Then, plug those insights into AdCreative AI and let it do the heavy lifting. You can refine the creatives based on the user segments, adjusting things like colors, wording, and images to match the user's previous interactions with your brand. Now here's the kicker. AdCreative AI offers powerful integrations with platforms like Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, so you can seamlessly import your ad creatives into your campaigns. This streamlines your workflow and saves time, all while improving your chances of success. It's important to note that the AI doesn't just generate creatives, it also provides detailed insights into the performance of each one. This data can help you quickly identify which ad variations are performing the best, allowing you to double down on what's working. In summary, using AdCreative AI for retargeting campaigns allows you to create and optimize ads that are personalized, data-driven, and designed for maximum conversion. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this tool is an essential asset in your advertising toolkit. Before you go, don't forget that you can use AdCreative AI completely free from the first link below, and I've even got some exclusive bonuses for you. If you're serious about improving your ad creatives and retargeting campaigns, this is a no-brainer. Check out the link, grab your extended free trial, and start optimizing your ads today.